Hey everybody, it's Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect vodka drink. Now, what's a perfect vodka drink? In this case today, we're going to make a rosemary lemon drop, and we're going to do it in ice in a very nice wine glass, which is going to be perfect for any party, and adds a touch of class to an otherwise basic martini that most people have had as far as the lemon drop. We're going to add the rosemary. That's what makes it really special. So follow along. These are the ingredients. Here we have Boyd & Blair vodka, wonderful potato vodka. Cointreau, which is the orange liqueur that has orange peel. It definitely has a lot of flavor. I recommend it over any other type of triple sec. Here we have simple syrup, which is a 60-40 blend of sugar and water. This is the sweetener that you need to add. You want to balance out a cocktail, so you've got to balance flavors between acid and your sweets and bring everything together. Simple syrup does that. So then we're going to use a lemonade. This could be any lemonade. This could be your favorite purchase lemonade, or this could be something you make fresh at home. We're going to infuse it with sprigs of rosemary, let it sit for 24 hours, and honestly, you have a beautiful rosemary lemonade. It's very herbaceous, perfect for the cocktail. So let's get started. We're going to build in our mixing glass so we can see everything as it starts to build and come together. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of the Boyd & Blair. And I'm using a jigger today because it just keeps all our measurements on point and always makes a consistent cocktail. Cointreau. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of the Cointreau. It's also clear, but once you add it in, because the alcohol content lowers once it's mixed with something else, you're going to start to see little waves of alcohol and oils floating through there. It's awesome. Great stuff for a fresh cocktail. Now we've got our simple syrup. Simple syrup, we're doing 3/4 of an ounce. There we go. And we're going to add our rosemary lemonade. And I've got a little carafe of it on the side. You can make a large batch, small batch, whatever you need. In this case, I'm making a cocktail, so I made a small batch. And we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of the rosemary lemonade. Now, most importantly, we're going to take a fresh lemon. We've got a lemon half right here. We're actually going to squeeze this into our cocktail. Now, the fresh lemon will add that pop. Now, I don't recommend doing the full squeeze, which will probably be 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Probably about 1/2 ounce is perfect. So I'm going to give a light squeeze. There we go. Just to add the right amount of fresh citrus juice to this concoction in this mixture. So now we've got everything in place. Let's add our ice. Now with our ice added, what we're going to do is cap it, tap it, flip it, and shake it. You always want to shake it out to where you start to see condensation building. Maybe a little bit more. And there we go, perfect. So we're going to strain it and then pour our contents into our wine glass. Now, you don't have to top it off with tons of ice. This is actually perfect. It's got a nice bit of ice in it. The volume is perfect for the glass. Then we're going to finish it off with a nice little sprig of rosemary. So I'm going to take one of my fresh pieces of rosemary. I'm just going to insert it into the glass. And there you have a perfect vodka drink. Enjoy.